how gorgeous is this little piece of Gucci? This is their webbed B disco with long strap. There you are, which can be shoulder or crossbody, and it is adjustable as well. It's a brown leather strap. It's in excellent condition. It's never been used. Absolutely immaculate and perfect inside and out, and the hardware, and of course the feature, this gorgeous little B. Okay, so it comes with a Gucci dust bag, and it comes with, just fall on the floor, Gucci care docs, and also fabric swatch. And then inside you've got two flat pockets, one there and then a little one here, and that is the label there, and the other one is in that bottom corner. Can you see it? There you are. So excellent inside as well. Really, really gorgeous, beautiful bag. I absolutely love this. I think for every day, just putting your bits and bobs in would just be beautiful. So yeah, really gorgeous Gucci.